Oh God. See, the angle that I had you earlier was perfect. And then you go and do this. Rude behavior. I love that for me. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play in makeup. I shop too much. I'm awkward as fuck. And I might talk a little shit. If any of those things sound interesting to you, feel free to hit that subscriber button, boo. Join this beautiful ass gang. Because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful ass person? And if you are not new around these parts, hey boo. Today's episode is an I Shop Too Much episode because I'm reviewing a Shein wig. Now, you probably seen me do this before in this video up here. Somewhere up here. And you know, the quality was actually pretty good. So I decided, like I said in the last video, that I was gonna do it again. So here we are doing it again. Let's take a 1-2 break real quick for this makeup look, cause it's given. I love it. I did it on my tickety tag, so you know, if you wanna know all about it, you can go on over there and you can watch how I do it. Well, you can't watch how I do it. That's a lie. That is a lie. But it doesn't take away from the fact that it's still friggin' cute. If you can tell from the title, because you know, that kind of gives it away. So this is the wig that I ordered. Let's see if I can actually find it. Okay, so this is the wig that I got. It's a 13x4 lace front bob straight human hair wig, okay? Is it human hair? We don't know, but we will find out, okay? We can be Inspector Gadget all day. Or is it Carmen Sandiego? I don't think it matters because they were both detectives. Now for me, I got a nice little 10-inch with 180 density, 13x4. So, and a bunch of other stuff too. But that's not the point. The point is this wig. The packaging isn't too fancy. It's just one of these clear little bags and then a complimentary wig cap. So that's always nice. You know, you can never have too many wig caps. Here is the wig. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, it's feeling pretty soft. Looks like it's got some body. Body, yada, 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 yada. And here are the inside-y part. It has that weird ass comb up here. Why is this here? I don't get it, man. I don't understand. Yeah, combs all up and throughout this bit. So you got one right here, you got the two on the sides, and you've got the one right here in the back at the bottom. And then you got this lace on here. This lace feels really kind of thick though. Kind of thick. Not mad at it though. Somebody will like it. Smells like hair. Let's go ahead and try this. I'm trying my hardest not to mess up my makeup. I actually like it today. Okay. It's not, I don't know how to put this. If you got a tie in your head than I do, you'll be just fine. You'll be just fine. For me, it is a little wee bit loose. Wait, what? I don't know how to exactly word this. Okay, so it's not too big, but it's not too small. It'll slide back, so you gotta put something on it. It's not a wig that you could just throw on your head and go. You know, even with the little adjustments in the back with the thing and the thing, you gotta do something. So let's see what we got. I don't have any more of that cool lace spray anymore. So basically I'm gonna have to resort to the whole powder foundation inside the lace method, you know what I mean? Oh, poor me. Poor me. When I made this order, I made another order too for another wig. That's a 26-incher. I think it's the longest wig I've ever ordered. So if you want to see that video, it'll be up soon. I haven't filmed it yet, but it'll be up soon. Don't worry about it. You'll catch it next week. I can't believe I almost forgot to do that. Or did I? Anyways, what powder am I gonna use on the inside of this wig though? I don't wanna use my Pat McGrath because that bitch is expensive. I'll probably go with this L'Oreal Infallible and see what we can do with that. And I'm just gonna put it in the areas that I know you can see some scalpage. Cause right here in this area looks pretty thin. So I'll probably just put some there, and then I'll also put some on my wig cap. That is put also beautifully on my scalp. Oh my God, girl, we suck at words today. No spelling bee winning over here. Oh man, this wrist game. About to end up looking like Hercules. So now I'm gonna go back into the wig and I'm just gonna dabba wipa in the areas that are looking a little thin. See, like this. This is what I'm doing right over here. Now, it's not gonna look the bestest. I'm not gonna be slaying over here, but it'll be looking like something. This is one of those moments where I wish I would have just invested in one of those little heads. I should just do that. Next paycheck, and remember, invest in wig head. Now my shoulder hurts. Good grief, man. I give up. I don't really care anymore. I'm done. If we come out looking stupid, then that just is what it is. So I've already got the hooks adjusted back here. So now I'm just gonna throw her on my head and then get to cutting on the lace. If this is not your first time around these parts, then I don't have a routine. I just do what I do. I almost forgot to tuck my braids in. Oh my God. Where are my scissors? 1 minute, y'all. I gotta go get my scissors. I got 2, so we'll see which one works better. I can't remember which ones are dull. Try and cut along the line. Heavy emphasis on try, boo, because I can't see very well behind this camera. Are we there yet? Are we gonna snip or not? Oh God. Well, that was a good chunk. I just cut off. See, this is that. I need a mirror. You know, maybe sometimes you don't need a mirror, Aunt. Maybe. Oh God. Anyways, let's try and cut in smaller pieces. Let's do that. Okay, looking better, feeling better, you know. I feel like cutting some of the actual hair off the lace is necessary at this point because that's just not the way my head is built. Sorry, not really. You see what I mean? Because like, why are my ear flaps? If I wanted it to sit comfortably on my head, it would sit like this. But that's just not how my head is built. And now I got all this extra. I just don't feel comfortable cutting off that much because there's, what a mess. What a god-awful mess. Maybe if we just stop stressing, Aunt, things will work out in your favor. Hopefully. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this Kafune Melt Me Down lace spray, and I'm gonna put that on the inside of the cap and then put it down with a scrunchie. Alrighty, since the makeup is already done, I'm just gonna let this dry and then we'll come back after it's all styled and whatever. And I guess I can give my thoughts on this wig. This comb in here is driving me nuts already, bro. Eesh. Now I see why people cut it off and then just do the elastic because it's digging into my brain. We'll be back. Alrighty, so we are back and this is the wig. Can we focus? Focus, baby, focus. She looks cute, I like her. She gives me very much boss girl vibes, like I run shit office-wise vibes. She gives like that one girlfriend in the group who has an opinion for everything that nobody asked her for. That's what this wig gives me. I like it. Look, I was fighting so hard, okay? I was fighting for my life with them flyaways when I was styling this wig. I should have filmed it, but I feel like nobody really cares to see that. They just want to see the wig. And even if you do want to see it, I apologize. I'll probably do it in the next video with the 26-incher. I'll probably do it then. But yeah, I actually really like this one. This is gonna be my summer wig, okay? Because nobody wants all that hair down the neck. When it comes to shedding, who is that? I don't know who that is. Who is, what, how do you pronounce? None, I didn't get any. At least not enough for me to even notice, you know, even if it did shed. It didn't have that much of a smell. I keep wiggling and things and I'm wiggling and things and I keep wiggling things out of place. But yeah, this is her. You know, she's very manageable. She's pretty thick. And I'm glad that I got a 10-incher because this is the length that I wanted. I could have bumped the ends, you know, a little bit, the little church bumps that every black child who's gone to church knows about. You know what I'm talking about. I could have bumped those a little bit more, but honestly, I kind of just like the mixture of the two. I'm giving blunt and a little bit of bump, you know, a blunt bump. Blunt bump, blunt bump. That's what I'm serving. This outfit ain't complete. It needs a necklace or something. I don't know. Anywho, I'ma sit here, continue to look cute in this cute ass little wig. How much was it? $61.14 is what I paid, but I had a little coupon discount code thingamajig that they give you if you sign up for Shein and stuff like that. But originally, I believe it's $76. Yeah, $76. I ordered the 10-inch. If I wanted the 12-inch, which I probably am gonna order, is $81. So it's still pretty nice for an affordable human hair wig. Easy to manage, little shedding, didn't take long to get here. Everything that the impatient demon in me loves, you know, because I didn't have to fight that bitch this time. Normally she throws a fit and I gotta wait forever. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about these baby hairs because we're just not. I'm just gonna say that I love this wig. It was nice, it was affordable, it's cute, and I can see it being definitely for sure a go-to if you don't stop. Anywho, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new around these parts, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, boo. Join this beautiful ass gang and become a beautiful ass person. And then while you're there, there's also a notification bell. Go ahead, hit that beat. Hit it. Hit that beat, so you will know every time that I upload, because I just be uploading whatever, honestly. Can't stop doing this. I like it. Go ahead and comment if you want to, share if you would like, and I guess I will catch you next time. Stop it and stop. Anywho, I'll catch you next time, boo. Bye.